Guys, guess what is this? Guess what is this? This is not this is sunog. That is a coconut. Yung butong baga guys, yung butong. Ano siya guys, yung butong or fresh coconut and glutinous rice. See, this is how I celebrate with myself. Charot lang ha. All Souls Day, All Saints. Maniwala ba kayo dyan? Sige lang ah.